This Shark ZU102 Rotator Pet Upright Vacuum with PowerFins HairPro and Odor Neutralizer Technology is a formidable contender in the world of home cleaning appliances. It promises to tackle pet hair with ease, neutralize odors, and maintain a clean environment. This review delves into the features, performance, and overall value of this vacuum, providing you with all the information you need to decide if this is the right choice for your home. One of the standout features of the Shark ZU102 is its PowerFins HairPro brush roll. This innovative brush roll actively grips and captures stubborn long hair, short hair, and pet hair on both carpets and floors. Unlike traditional brush rolls that often struggle with tangled hair, the PowerFins HairPro design ensures continuous contact with surfaces for deep cleaning and efficient hair removal. This makes it an ideal choice for pet owners who are constantly battling pet hair throughout their home. Pet hair can be notoriously difficult to clean, often wrapping around the brush roll and causing maintenance headaches. The Shark ZU102 addresses this issue with its self-cleaning brush roll. This feature is a game changer, as it prevents hair from wrapping around the brush roll, ensuring powerful pet hair pickup without the hassle of constant cleaning. This self-cleaning technology saves time and effort, making your cleaning routine more efficient and less frustrating. One common issue with vacuum cleaners is the accumulation of odors from pet hair, dust, and debris. The Shark ZU102 is equipped with Odor Neutralizer Technology, which guards against bad odors inside the vacuum. This technology ensures that your home remains fresh-smelling, even after extensive cleaning sessions. Compared to models without this feature, the Shark ZU102 provides a noticeable difference in maintaining a pleasant indoor environment. For those with allergies or sensitivities, the Shark ZU102's Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology is a significant benefit. Paired with a HEPA filter, this technology traps 99.99% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. This means that the vacuum not only cleans your floors, but also improves the air quality in your home by keeping allergens out of the air you breathe. This is particularly important for households with pets, as pet dander can be a major allergen. The Shark ZU102 features a 3XL capacity dust cup, which is ideal for long cleaning sessions. This extra-large dust cup means fewer interruptions to empty it, allowing you to clean larger areas without constant stops. This is especially useful for pet owners and larger homes, where dust and pet hair can accumulate quickly. The convenience of a large dust cup cannot be overstated, as it streamlines the cleaning process and enhances efficiency. The Shark ZU102 is designed for versatility and ease of use. The extendable hose offers up to 12 feet of total reach, allowing you to clean hard-to-access areas like stairs, furniture, and ceilings with ease. This feature is particularly useful for above-floor cleaning, ensuring that no corner of your home is left untouched. Additionally, the vacuum's swivel steering lets you maneuver easily around furniture and tight spaces. This agility makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a seamless activity. One of the key strengths of the Shark ZU102 is its ability to clean both carpets and hard floors effectively. The vacuum transitions smoothly between different surfaces, removing dust, debris, and embedded hair from all types of flooring. This versatility ensures that you can tackle every room in your house with one appliance, without the need for multiple cleaning tools. Whether it's thick carpet or hardwood floors, the Shark ZU102 performs admirably. The Shark ZU102 Rotator Pet Upright Vacuum comes with a 5-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of the product's durability and quality. Shark's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, which is a significant plus for any potential issues or questions that may arise during the vacuum's lifespan. This warranty coverage underscores Shark's confidence in their product and commitment to customer satisfaction. The Shark ZU102 package includes several useful accessories, a crevice tool, a pet multi-tool, and an odor neutralization technology cartridge. The crevice tool is perfect for reaching into narrow spaces and corners, ensuring thorough cleaning. The Pet Multi-Tool is designed to pick up pet hair, dust, and large debris from various surfaces, making it a valuable addition for pet owners. The Odor Neutralization Technology cartridge enhances the vacuum's ability to maintain a fresh-smelling home. Conclusion: the Shark ZU102 Rotator Pet Upright Vacuum with PowerFins HairPro and Odor Neutralizer Technology is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly vacuum cleaner that excels in pet hair removal and maintaining a fresh indoor environment. Its combination of innovative features, such as the self-cleaning brush roll, Odor Neutralizer Technology, and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal, make it a standout choice for households with pets and allergies. The large-capacity dust cup, extendable hose, and multi-surface cleaning capabilities further enhance its practicality and convenience. For those seeking a reliable and efficient vacuum cleaner that can handle the challenges of pet hair and everyday messes, the Shark ZU102 is an excellent investment. Its robust performance, thoughtful design, and comprehensive warranty make it a top contender in the upright vacuum category. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.